Hey guys, this is Hottwingz. I'm coming at you with an appetizer that you can make that is super cheap and really good. When I coached high school wrestling for 1 year, and I went to this wrestling tournament, and one of the coaches' wives made this appetizer, man, and it was phenomenal. For under $5, you can go to any party and wow them with this. This is jalapeno poppers, Hottwingz way. All right, and here to help me is my lovely wife. All right, there she is. Hey, she's a little bit shy, but she's going to be doing the recording for me. Hold this. All right. So basically, all you need is some jalapenos. They cost under $1 for, like, I don't know, 5 or 10 of them, whatever. If you do 5, you're going to get 10. If you do 10, you're going to get 20. What you're going to do is you're going to slice off the ends. This. Alright? Now, when you do this, be really careful. The seeds in any pepper is what contains the spiciness, the hotness. Alright? You don't want to leave the seeds in. It's just too hot for people. I like some people. Yeah, some people, right? I like my stuff hot, so you know, I can take the seeds, but most people can't. What you want to do, you're going to want to turn on the water to the sink. Once you cut them in half, alright, you want to take a spoon. Use the spoon and not your fingers. You're going to want to scoop them out. Alright, make sure you get all the seeds out. What I like to do is a joke sometimes, or actually, this is how I train my wife on how to eat hot food. I'll leave the seed in occasionally, let that sucker burn in her mouth, alright? And you can actually train people to like hot food. That's how I'm allowed to eat Hottwingz in my house right now. It took me, what, I've been married 18 years? Mm-hmm. Do you like Hottwingz?
Love them.
That's right. So you basically want to scrape these out. Make sure you get the seeds out for the most part. The seeds in the membrane, scraping those out like that. Okay. Getting all these out here. Hey, and by the way, you can hear the music in the background. What is that?
Backstreet Boys.
Backstreet Boys. Have you guys ever seen the movie This Is the End? If you have not seen the movie This Is the End, you're missing out. It is hysterical. I would highly recommend that movie to anybody. I'll be putting it on my YouTube channel as something to watch. This Is the End with Seth Rogen, John Leguizamo. Oh my gosh.
John Leguizamo?
Is it? It's not John Leguizamo?
No.
Who is it? Who's the guy in the...
Oh my gosh.
Who is it?
It's,
You can't think of the name of it?
Well, only because you asked me.
Not John Leguizamo. It's,
John Leguizamo's the Hispanic guy.
Yeah. Who is it? It's the, Anyway, while we're trying to think of the name of that, this is, you're going to take cream cheese. Who?
Because you're killing me.
This is the, you're going to put the cream cheese, take your thumb, and you're going to fill these with cream cheese. Alright? Since we've got 5 peppers, this is going to be 10 jalapeno poppers. Basically, I just cut them like this. Still can't think of the guy's name? Basically, I'll cut them into little chunks like this. Okay? I'll make 10 of them. Alright? You don't need a whole lot. Very cheap appetizer. Always good at parties. Every time we brought this, people were like, man, this is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could half that. 10. The little small ones. And by the way, a little tip. You don't want to buy huge jalapeno peppers because they do get big. You want to pick out the small ones. They just taste better that way with the bacon wrapped around them. Alright? Taking my thumb, spreading those out. Alright, look. Just like that. Alright?
Did you wash your hands prior to this?
Of course I washed my hands. Even if I didn't wash my hands, I wouldn't say it on a YouTube. Is that the correct? Is it a YouTube video?
Yeah.
So, we're spreading them out just like this.
You know what that is?
Huh? What's that? What is that? My wife is
That was
strange.
Crouching Tiger. Now it's
Alright, so look. Then what we're going to do, wash our knife off a little bit. Alright. Getting a little bit of cream cheese off there. Okay. Hey, what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 pieces of bacon because we have 10 peppers. We're going to cut that bacon in half.
James Franco.
James Franco.
God.
This is the end. James Franco, Seth Rogen. Freaking hysterical movie. Anyway. This is what we're doing here. We've got our jalapenos, we've got our cream cheese. We're going to be wrapping these around, okay? You're going to cut those pieces of bacon in half. You're going to wrap them around, alright? And when I get more experience on the old YouTube, I'll figure out how to fast forward this crap. But for right now, you're going to have to put up with it. So, it shouldn't take me long. Hey, can you videotape yourself getting some tin foil and putting it on the demo cookie sheet?
I think. Not big.
Do it now. You're going to take some tin foil. You're going to put it on a cookie sheet so you don't make a mess. And no one gets mad at you at home. Well, I got bacon grease all over my hand. Can you throw some tin foil on the cookie sheet? Oh, because you get the camera in your hand. But she's the brains of the outfit. Hang on. Alright, here we go. I'd like to give a shout out to my friend Angel, my friend Jay, Mariah, and Milk. I know they're going to get a kick out of this.
It's interesting. Twice.
Probably the only people who are going to watch this video.
Twice you've dedicated them to Angel.
Hey. Hey! Oh, crap. Don't tell me I'm a bacon piece short here. Alright. Well, for time's sake, so you don't lose interest.
You can't be. It's
Oh,
10
not.
to 10.
I'm not. I'm good. I'm good. Alright. Kids' burgers are burning.
And the kids' fries are burning.
Alright. So anyway, you're going to wrap them up like this. You're going to put them on a sheet like this. Alright. Little rack. You should really put some tin foil on the bottom. Okay?
Why use the rack?
Huh? You want to use the... Thank you. You want to use the rack so that the bacon grease doesn't drip and burn while you're on there. You need to keep it above the place where you're cooking. So the what? So the bacon stays crispy. Okay? And then you're going to set the oven for 425 and you're going to cook those suckers for about 25 minutes or until the bacon's done. Hey, and listen. They're going to look like this. They're going to look just like that. I know that doesn't look super appealing, but you want the bacon nice and crisp. Look at me. Over here.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta pan it up. These are freaking awesome.
The longer you cook them, the better.
The longer you cook them, the better.
Oh,
alright. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Alright. Thanks, guys. Subscribe. Bye.